Hi, this is Scoggett, and today I woke up and noticed that I'm leaking water, and found out it's my water pump on my 2005 Volkswagen New Beetle. And what I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you how to go about fixing and repairing a water pump on a 2005 Volkswagen New Beetle. It's not really hard to do, and this is the way you do it. Yes, hello, is this Volkswagen? Yes. I have a water pump which is out on my 2005 Volkswagen New Beetle. What I need for you to do is send a tow truck out here to 1313 Mockingbird Lane to pick this up and tow it in for repair. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, that's 1313 Mockingbird Lane. My name's Scoggett. Okay, sounds good. And that's the way you repair a water pump on a 2005 Volkswagen New Beetle. This is Scoggett. Appreciate all you viewers and subscribers out there, and y'all take care.